Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from your photo using PicsArt on desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened PicsArt.com, and first of all, I'm going to browse files. I'm going to click on this option, and then we can choose photo we want to remove the background. I'm going to remove the background from this photo, for example, and hold on. Okay, and to remove background of our photo, we can use erase feature on PicsArt. Wait. You can click on these three dots, and then you're going to select erase. And you can manually remove background from your photo, or you can use the cutout feature, and you can select person like this, and the background will be removed automatically. Or if you want to manually remove it, you can use this eraser, and then you can click on apply. And as you can see guys, that the background of my photo has been removed, and this is the result. And don't forget to click on apply, and after that you'll be able to export your photo by clicking on this export menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background from our photo with PicsArt desktop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.